Green seasoning is the heart of Caribbean cooking. This vibrant herb-packed blend is a flavor powerhouse. Used in everything from meats to seafoods and stews, and is the secret behind iconic dishes like curries and oxtail. If you grew up in a Caribbean household, you already know this isn't just a marinade, it's a kitchen essential. So let's make it your kitchen essential too. There's no right way to make it. It varies by island and even by household. But the goal is always the same: big, bold, fresh flavors. So in this household, we're gonna be using a bunch of fresh herbs, cilantro, parsley, and thyme, aromatics including scallions, garlic, celery, and onion, Scotch bonnet for a bit of heat, fresh lime juice for brightness, a generous pinch of salt, and a bit of neutral oil and vinegar to help with preservation and texture. Pro tip here from future me: if you want a quick way to get the thyme leaves off the stems, rub it against a cooling rack. We'll roughly chop everything, blend it all together to your desired consistency, and that's it. Instant flavor, no effort. As mentioned, there's no right way to make this. Some versions omit the oil, vinegar, or lime juice entirely and just use water to help with blending. Some versions may include culantro, which is different to cilantro, or basil, bell peppers, ginger, or pimento peppers. A lot of this may depend on what's available in your local area, but go forth and take control of your green seasoning. It all really depends on how you like it and how you plan to use it. Green seasoning can last about 2 weeks in the fridge, though the oil, vinegar, and lime juice can help it last longer. If you leave yours in the fridge, you may see it lose its vibrant color, and that's completely normal. You can also freeze it in ice cube trays or silicone molds for easy portioning and so that it lasts even longer. Just pop one out when you need it. That way none of it will go to waste and you've got fresh flavors on demand. Green seasoning is tradition, convenience, and flavor all in one. Once you start using it, you'll never stop. What's your favorite way to use green seasoning? Let me know in the comments.